Invite mo na.
Okay. Diba? Pinitin ko pa ako.
Capture the flag, lagay mo.
Capture the flag.
Merong mode dyan. Inline nila Tribe Gaming.
Dali.
Bakit dito aja?
Hindi mo dali.
Ingay mo. Nabubulol na ako. Ako na lang nga mag-i-invite sa'yo.
Ano?
Nag-leave kasi.
Nag-automatic eh. Kasama lang ko ba yun?
Wala na tuloy ata yung ano mo. Boost.
Ano ko malalaman?
Hindi ko na.
Ito na lang.
Ano level mo na?
177.
171.
Ay, yun na doon. Ba't private?
1v1 nga, ne.
Capture the flag is 1v1. Ay, wait, try ko nga i-booster. I-open ko dito sa app na to. Ayun o. Ayun o, parang...
Magpapatugtog ako.
Hindi. Natugtog ka ng code M playlist.
Hindi, ano, that's it.
Ay, yo, 1 hour ba yan?
Hindi, ilalagay ko sa replay.
Hindi, paano mo nagagawa yun? Ano ba yan? Spotify ba yan? Spotify ba yan?
Hindi, ano, YouTuber. Repeat. Ano ako, repeat.
Libre ba yan?
Oo.
Ano man?
Ready?
Paano ko mati-check kung naka-ano? Ay, di ba yun yung ibig sabihin ko? Naggaganyan siya.
Di, hayaan mo na.
Ayun, nag-bungis.
Uy, bakit mo tinanggal? Start ko na eh.
Oh, ba't namatay yung tugtog?
I-restart ko eh.
Ala, nabibigan si Johnny. Oh my god, look at that internal storage. Look at my ping. Oh my god.
Baliw. Uy, join ka. Balik ka na kasi. You're making me rage quit bro. Nakakahinis din yung ano. Yung SS.
Ay, naka-monitoring pa rin.
Oto.
Okay, hindi naka-monitoring.
Nakalock man ako eh.
Ayan, sino kalaro mo?
Pre-match nga ni.
Ano sino?
Waiting for one more player nga niya.
Ano ka sa ID?
Naka NPC mode ako eh. Wala akong gagamitin na skins. Kahit,
Ano yung NPC mode?
ano, challenge ko. Bawal ako gumamit ng skins.
Bakit?
Kahit sa ano, sa soldiers.
Random naman mo. Random naman yung mga challenge mo. Oh, wala namang...
Ha ha ha, nawa ko to ah.
It's not even a real challenge.
Pero ginawa ni ano, Ifer.
Ano ginawa niya?
Ano, rookie to legendary with no skins.
Okay. Bakit mag-legendary ka ba?
Hindi.
Akala mo naman, naglalaro ka ng buong ano, nang hindi ka mag-skill. Akala mo kakayanin na yan. Ano mo?
Bakit ikaw? Dami-dami mo skins. Gusto mo ba gamitin or hindi mo gagamitin? Kahit sa soldiers mo. Hindi ka makasalita, no?
Ito naman, nakuha ko.
Yun.
Catchy the plug. Kukuha ka ba ng plug dito?
Oo, kaya nga after the plug nga na.
Ano na yung ano music? Hindi, never mind. Ulit na.
Nakaulit mo nga eh. Kakusimula lang. Wala akong skin.
Na-place talaga ako.
Hindi ko nakita eh. Kukunin ko yung plug mo.
Cause it might just be a drug. You can make us someone at the motherfucking web. You never know I get my dog, I need to put some money.
Kukunin ko yung plug mo, boy. One plug.
Mark?
Napipikon si Naida.
Ain't no motherfucking man. It's on my cause they know
Pwede score.
for me to come up with my latest step on with that. No secret.
Pero UAV at saka Hunter Killer
So
Drone.
I hit my trick and make it sense. 20 minutes now it's time to
Killer drone lang at saka ano.
just got that shit you probably straight.
UAV.
You gon' get that shot. Goody bitches cause I'm
Pwede akong mag-swarm.
lay your ass up on the table.
Bawal stealth chopper, bawal gun, bawal gun,
Cause I got
bawal... Oh! Wala ko pa man
So it's
nakuha eh.
fast, so I keep got a good plan, so I always got a big
Three, two, one. Ang bagal mo. Boy, dali mo gagawa mo, boy. Tanda mo yung
Because it might just be a drug. You can make it sober at the motherfucking web. You got so I keep my dog, I need to get some money. Ain't no motherfucking man. It's on my cause they know they just think for me to come up with my latest step on with that. No support, yeah, but this shit is getting so I hit my track and make it. 20 minutes now it's time to cut the bucket. Never bother to start this shit, you probably straight. Talking crazy, you gon' get that ass shot. That pretty bitches up on me. Yes! Lay your ass up on me. Make it this move quick. Yes, once I do that sensation, put my dick up out there. They know because I gotta make them hoe. That shit ain't all these bitches.
Oh, round 1. Pwede ka pa rin manalo.
Nakagold na ako dito.
Deal. Naka-MVP.
Uy! Nadali ka ka.
Kung nga ginagamit eh. Kriggs. Lockman yung ginagamit ko eh.
Uy! Hindi ka namatay doon!
Hit mark, baby.
Ang hindi ka na head. Hindi ka rin namatay.
Ay, gusto ko eh.
me to teach you how to boom. Straight from overseas to my motherfucking dope. Coming in, gotta serve, I ain't cutting. I gotta let you know. Not to cut my dope. Wait, it's so weak.
Pwede yung Ebe.
Before he booming in the six, make drug deals, but my nigga ain't gon' finish. Said to me,
May advance yung
It's
Ebe.
in the dope that we about to find. The kind of cover with the shit. It's the reason cause it might just be a drug. To make us over at the motherfucking whip. So I get my dope, that nigga put some money.
Ay, nakakasabay.
Ain't no motherfucking man. So my cause they know they can't for me to come up with my rat is not with that. No support yet, but the shit is getting
Pa rin napansin nila yun.
now it's time to put the button.
Pansin niya
Never
ata.
bother you to stop that shit, you want this trash. Talking crazy, you gon' get that ass shot. Goody bitches,
I got his plug, bro.
lay your ass up on the table. The bitch make this shit sweet. Cause I gotta put the coat.
Tama, boy. Huwag ka na mag-excuse, boy.
So I always gotta think.
No, bro.
Perfect.
Lockman.
Shotgun yung gamit ko.
Lockman na yun.
Cause I'm the team, no bunch. The ABEs, they that teach you how to boom. Straight from overseas to my motherfucking dope. Coming in, gotta
Ah,
serve,
nice.
cut. Got to put them on the watch. I gotta know about the feeling that I
Baka ginagamit niya yung
Wait, so we know I'm
45
gonna boom. Before he booming in the six, make drug deals, but my nigga ain't gon' finish. Said to me, shawty kept straight off that up. I'm the killers in the dope that we about to find. The kind of cover with the shit. It's the reason cause it might just be a drug. To me, it's over at the motherfucking whip. You better go back to my dope, that nigga put some
44
money.
seconds na lang. Nakita ko ito eh.
Ain't no motherfucking man. So my cause they know they can't for me to come up with the latest stuff with that. No support yet, but the shit is getting so I hit my shit and make it. Now it's time to put the button. Never bother you to stop that shit, you
Nanalo pa rin ako.
Goody bitches, cause I made the sweat up on the kitchen, lay your ass up on the table. Make it sensation to my dick about that. Cause I gotta be close. Gotta get paid, all these bitches so it's dance for me. So I always gotta think.
Hindi, kukunin mo nga sa plug. Yung plug nga ni. Capture the plug nga ni. Hindi mo kinukuha yung plug ko.
Mas pinafocus ko na kapag
You're so weak na. In-depth match na tayo. Shotgun.
Perfect.
Kasi nilagay ko ba?
Yes! 40 minutes na nga.
Sa country ng dalawa ko na tayo.
Palitan natin.
Hotdog ah? Hindi. Ganito sa akin mag-8 plus 21
Mahina daw yun, sabi ni Kirby.
Cause I'm the teacher, no buns. It's better teach you how to boom. Straight from overseas to my motherfucking dope. Coming in, gotta serve, I ain't
I'm
cutting.
gonna use this setting
Got to put them on the watch.
to beat him, bro, guys.
Got that crazy shit, not the cut, the dope. Graduated school, weed, now I'm about to boom. Before he booming in the six, make drug deals, but my nigga ain't gon' finish. Said to me, shawty kept straight off that up. Got the killers in the dope that we about to
Oh!
the kind of cover with the shit.
Ay!
Cause it might just be a drug. But at the motherfucking whip, you better go back to my dope, that nigga put some money.
Tao! Bago nila
Gold sabi ako.
Diyan ka sa isang side. Ako dito sa isang side.
So I hit my tricky make it sense. 20 years now it's time to cut the bucket. Everybody just got this shit to this break. Talking crazy, you gon' get that shot. Goody bitches, my man. Sweat on the kitchen, lay your ass up on the table. Could be make it this quick. Yes, we should do that sensation. Put my dick up out there. Just cause I got a
Takbuhan ko.
paid all these bitches do it anyway. So it's bad, so I keep it that good. And so I always got a big
Ako meron.
Perfect.
Isip ko minutes na talaga. Bagal na. Ayan, ito yung narinig ko yung bell.
Cause I'm the teacher, I'm one of the better teach you how to move. Straight from overseas to my motherfucking dope. Tell me you gotta serve, who you cut it. Don't forget to see got to put them on your pocket. I gotta let you know I'm about to put them down. Not that crazy, not the cut on the dope. Let me wait, so we know I'm gonna boom.
Pwede naman ako
Make
kumain. Joke!
my nigga, don't finish. Sick of me, shawty kept wait on that after me.
Bawal mag-rage quit ah. Kung sino mag-rage quit, pangit. Cotton camera pa naman. Naka-mic eh. Naka-mic. Narinig yung bonus niya.
Hindi mo yan. May music. Oh, kaya nagano yung audio. Hindi mo masyado marinig. Hindi, joke lang. Mag-music ka lang. Nakakatawa yung moment na yun. Ay, mag-music ka lang.
Naka-roadblock na ako.
So I hit my tricky make it 20 years now it's time to cut the bucket. Everybody just got this straight. Talking to you, gon' get that
Ayusin
shot.
ko nga yung setting.
To these bitches, cause I'm made. Sweat on the kitchen, lay your ass up on the table. Make it quick. Yes, once I do that sensation, put my dick up out
Pwede
there.
mag-execute, sige.
Cause I gotta make them hold. Gotta get paid, all these bitches do it anyway. Money on, so it's bad, so I keep it that good. And so I always got a big
Dumaan ako tapos pumasok ako sa container. Parang magaling ako sa shotgun na yun.
Perfect.
Reload? Pero hindi lang.
Ang magaling.
Pakita ko sa akin.
Oh, natamaan kita sa ano. Natamaan kita. Really?
Make a drug deal, but my nigga don't finish. Kept wait on that after me. Got the keys in the building, we got the room. It's a baby, the kind of careful with the sheep. Because it might just be a drug. To me, it's for at the motherfucking web. You better go back to my dog, I need to put some money.
Ay, sayang. Mabilis yung pagpatay. Uy, nangunguha ng shotgun.
Ain't no motherfucking lie. So my cause they know they just can't for me to come up with my ass. No, we can't get the shit get.
Oh,
So I hit my tricky make
2%.
20 years now it's time to cut the bucket.
Oh, 2% lang yung nabawas.
Talking crazy, you gon' get that shot.
Hindi, dito eh.
Sweat on the kitchen, lay your ass up on the table. Make it quick. Yes, once I do that sensation, put my dick up out there.
Andito unlimited nga eh. Unlimited bomba.
So I always got a big
At saka auto setting. Auto fire. Kaya hindi na ako mag-ano. Ayan, naka-auto ako. Pag naharapan ko.
Perfect.
Bro is a cheater.
Bakit? Ang lalakas na shotgun mo eh. Natatakot niya ako eh. Alam mo, 2 shot lang ako. Bilisan ka.
Cause I'm the teacher in a bunch.
Why? Ang galit dyan.
I'm overseas till my motherfucking dope. Come and you gotta serve, I ain't cutting. I'm gonna this shit up, with the movie.
Bakit ilang beses ka na miss sa summit kapag na.
Not the cut on the dope. That's the way it's gonna be. Now I'm in the boom.
Ano yun? 2 shot na yung shotgun mo.
But my nigga don't be the shit. Get the niggas all kept laid off there. Got the niggas in the dope.
O, tignan mo.
Shit. Because it might just be a drug. To me, but at the motherfucking whip. She better go back to my dog. I need to put some money. Ain't no motherfucking man. So much, cause they know
Parehas kayo nagbomba.
So I hit my fucking
Diba sabi ko na ba bumaba eh. Magana na ako 1 tap ABS. 1 tap ABS na ako boy.
So I went big.
Ang ingay mo.
Perfect.
Guys, hindi, wall bang? Hindi mo naman ako natamaan. Bilis talaga ng shotgun. Walang masak. Mamaya ibaban ko yung over. Ay! Ano ba? Bawal na yan ah.
Hindi ka na tamaan mo.
Oh!
Guys, kaya pala na pangawin dito ka.
Ain't no motherfucking man. So much, cause they know they think I'm gonna come up with my red stuff on my back. No security, yeah. This shit is getting
Bawal na yung ano.
you make it feel. Doing it, now we gotta put the bucket. Everybody, stop this shit, you probably break.
Bawal,
You can go get that shot.
bawal na yung auto shotgun. Hindi naman talaga yung auto shotgun eh.
Make it this really quick. Yes, we should do that. Just say you put my feet up out there. You can have it because I gotta make it home. Gotta get paid. All these bitches doing it. So it's paying some good man. So I always had a big
Malaya, bawal yan. Bawal yan.
Di ba sabi mo pwede ako mag-tap? Pwede din ako mag-tap gamit itong MX Guardian.
Uy, bawal yan eh.
Uy!
this whole weed, now I'm gonna boom. Before he booming, you can
Uy!
see. Make it drug, so my nigga don't be the shit. Send the nigga shot, kept it on dead after the got the killers and the dope, we about to the kind of cover me the shit.
Hey, yo!
We can make it, but at the motherfucking whip. So I get my dog, that nigga put some money.
Hey, yo! Okay. Ano ba kontak nila? Kontak grenade.
Ain't no motherfucking addict. So my cause they know they can't keep the niggas so I'm
Eh, ba, ikaw lang yung nag-iisa na may problemang ganyan.
the shit is getting
Hoy!
so I hit my shit and make it see.
Nice one!
Now we finna put the bucket. Never bother niggas stop that shit, you fucking straight. Talking crazy, you gon' get that ass shot. To these bitches, cause I'm made.
Uy, nakalok ko na sa ano ko. Sa M16 na binigay ko. Bakit hindi mo ginagamit, boy? Inok mo nga eh. Headshot. Melee abuser. Tignan mo sa ano. Oh. Parang switch lang, no?
Perfect.
Oh! Sa pa kita natamaan. Galing.
Oh my God!
Oh, ayan na yung... Wait, let me reload, bro. Bro, fair for it.
Before he booming to the six, make a drug dealers, but my nigga don't be the shit. Said to me, all the jump straight on dead after me. Got the killers and the dope that we about to do. The kind of cover me the shit. Just be real, cause it might just be a drug. We can make it, but at the motherfucking whip. You got to go back to my dog, that nigga put some money.
Oh.
Nakita mo yung last yung kill cam.
Hindi. Napin...
Wag mo na nakapatay. Umakit ako ng ganyan, tapos bigla ko hinagis lang sa ganyan.
Eh, yo.
Ain't no motherfucking man. So my cause they know they can't come up with my bad shit.
Kaya nga eh. Nakapagpalo yung mga yun.
So I hit my shit and make it sense. Doing it, it's time to put the bucket. Never bother niggas stop that shit, you fucking straight.
Oy!
Dead on shot.
I'm trying to parkour, bro.
Sweat phone and lay your ass up on the tape. Make it ditch me quick. Do that sensation to my dick fuck out there. Cause I gotta move the coat.
Don't be mad. Be sad.
So it's bad, so I keep and so I always try to think.
Akala ko. Ah!
Nagulat ako bigla ko lang hilak ko yung nabili.
Uy, pag namatay tayo, dapat tayo mag-man.
Ay, yo!
Perfect.
Paano ka nakahagis sa akin nag-i-slide?
Hindi ko din alam, nakakrouch ako dyan.
Ito yung movement na sinasabi ko, yung pagkaman.
Oo, naka-execute ako eh. Ayo! Oy, baka! 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 Nasaan ka, boy? Nasaan ka na? Kurete!
Ano ba yan pala? Bilis ko lang.
Ain't no motherfucking man. So many my shit, you make it. 20 years now, it's time to put the fucking. Everybody, just stop this shit, you fucking straight.
Alam mo yung correct.
Pretty bitches on me. Sweat on the kitchen, lay your ass up on the table.
Uy, natandaan ko yung pagkatapos ng birthday ni Rap-Rap, narinig ko yung kanta mo, ang lungkot. Ang lungkot ng kanta mo! Yung pagkatapos ng birthday ni Rap-Rap, yung gabi na, narinig ko yung kanta.
Ano kanta?
Ay, parang ang lungkot mo kumanta. Oo. Si David Jo.
Nabidyo ako.
Uy, hindi ka naman. Ay, nandun ka sa taas. Ay, wala ka. Hindi, nagulat ako eh. Napindot ko eh. Nilipot ko sa akin shotgun. I saw your grenade smoke, bro. I saw the smoke of your grenade, brother. Yung smoke ng grenade, yung pagkasabi. Nakita ko. Uy, baka! Oy, baka! Oy, baka! Wala nga ako dyan. Let me reload! Nakakainis yan. MX Garden. Ano?
Yung kitchen, ito yung kitchen na kami ng kamo.
Eh? Wait, dyan ka lang. Ano, tignan mo. Dyan ka, stay ka dyan. Hindi, balik ka dito. Tignan mo, parang ang goofy ko gumalaw. Hindi, punta ka dyan. Hindi, stay ka dyan. Stay. Tignan mo, parang goofy ko gumalaw. Di ba ako nakita eh? Nasa likod kita eh. Tignan mo. Yan, dyan. Tignan mo, parang goofy ko gumalaw. Parang lightning ko gumalaw. Uy, paano ko yung naman
Yung ginawa ko, bigla akong gumayon, tapos nag-sleep ako ng gano'n.
Ay, nandito ka pala. Bawal yung MX Garden, boy! Ay, kung nga mag-hit pa. Ano, mag-scope na. May sabay tayo tumalon na. Wait, let me reload. Nakita ko yung ulo mo eh.
know I'm about to do that. I got that crazy shit, not the girl with the dope. Graduated school, weed, now I'm in the boom. Boy, he booming, he was six. Make a drug deal, but my nigga, I don't finish. Sipping up, started kept right on that. Got the kids in the dope, that we about to. Every kind of careful with the shit. Just be because it might just be a drug. But at the motherfucking well.
Tanda mo yung ano, sabay tayo nag-contact training siya sa amin.
Oo. Basta may tayo na tayo.
Oo. Uy, bakit na makaikot-ikot tayo dito eh? Hindi na tayo namatay.
In a motherfucking line. So my bitch, cause they know they can't come up with my ride, it's not the one that. No, yeah, the shit is getting so I hit my chicken, make it sense.
Nag-aalam ako saan ako nanggaling. Namatay ako eh. Pinatay ko sarili ko sa contact training.
Do these bitches so many.
Kasi wala ako.
Lay your ass up on the table. Quick, because I got a hoe. Gotta get paid, all these bitches
Yes! Magoyo! Pwede na ako magtago. Tago muna ako, guys. 20, 15, 14, 13. Panalo pa rin ako.
Hindi pwede.
Perfect.
Hindi pwede.
Yes! Yes!
Panalo ka lang ng 1 point. You only one game.
Oh, final kill comes si Naija!
1 point lang. 1 point lang yun.
Wala! Ngayon, parehas tayo gagamit ng ginawa ko.
Hello!
Parehas na tayo gagamit.
Boy, he booming, he was six. Make a drug deal, but my nigga, I don't finish.
Sa kanta, narinig ko yung N-word.
There. Right.
Oo.
Right.
Hindi, may A lang siya. May A lang siya.
Ito, ganito. Pwede na ba to? Palitan ko na lang ng ano.
Sige.
Or kailangan... Ay, wala pala akong ano eh.
Yun nga. Pag
Ay,
wala.
39. Ano, ang taas. Tagal. Ito. Bro, I freaking hate this.
I hate you.
Tactical scope pwede. Ito yung 3 times. Ay, hindi ba?
Ito na nga yung pinili ko sa yung ano.
Mas malayo ba to yung ano? Mas malayo to kaysa dito? Mas
malayo yan.
Malayuan ba tayo?
Balik tayo sa parehas tayo ng scope pero ibang baril.
Hindi, pares tayo ng M16.
M16 nga gamit ko eh.
Ay, pares tayo ng super ilong. Yung map na ano yung...
Kill house.
Hindi, ano? Taas tayo. Tas yung susunod yung parang ano?
Alam mo si Cisco yung sinasabi niya si Kill house.
Cisco?
Oh, di ba ako laro sa Cisco?
Nakalimutan ko. Ah, oo, sa Cisco. Sino pa ba mga kilala mo? Bata lang pala yun si ano? Si Borg.
Sino yun?
Ay, si Borg. Ang pangalan yan? Si Borg ba?
Oh, si Borg. Babalik ako sa NPC mode.
Code M ano siya? Hindi mag-skin ka na.
Magsiskin ako?
Oo.
Sige! Utot mo na ako.
Ay, wait. Dahil parang naka-tactical loadout tayo. Ito gagamitin ko. Si Captain Blue. O kaya ito, Elite PLC.
Captain Boo? Eh, yo!
Ay, hindi. Ito
Boo!
na lang. Si Rose. Pang pa-pro lang to. Pang pro.
Parehas tayo magba-bros. Yay!
Tapos mag-ano tayo.
Yippee! Magsa-shotgun ako. Kasama ng spear. Ay, hindi. Launcher tayo ulit. Parehas tayo.
Hindi.
Parehas tayo
Magko-crossbow ako.
Parehas tayo magtatamper.
Tamper?
May attachment pala yung crossbow.
Oo. Try mo. Gamit ka ng crossbow. I-upgrade mo. Alam mo ba, meta pala to dati eh. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Ang OP ng boat, no? Yung mga thermite, may ganito.
Termitin kita. Ano ba nangyari yan? Water stop. Ito ko yung gamitin natin sa zombie apocalypse.
Oo nga, no? Mag-ano tayo, COD MA naman.
Lovebirds! No! Sabi ni Naija!
Sabi niya, yun. Lovebirds talaga, no?
Lovebirds ka daw ate, oh. Sabi ni Raija.
Lovebirds. Ikaw nga nagsabi.
Uy, bakit ako?
Ay, bakit ako? Palagi ko nagagay. Ay, bakit ako?
Kasi bakit nakakatawa? Matulog ka na.
Gusto ko na magalo.
Matulog ka na.
Gusto ko na magsabi ni Rayon yun.
Oo nga eh.
Naalala mo yung Cloud Wars? Oo. Mag-Cloud Wars tayo ulit. Namiss ko yung Cloud Wars?
Get away from me, bro. We switch places. Dito, ikaw tapos ako dyan eh. We switch places, bro. M16 nga niya. Uy, natamaan kita gamit crossbow. Pwede ako mag-ADS para sa crossbow. One tap ADS. Sige! Uy, akala ko ba mag-road walk ka? Ito naman. Wait, huwag mo na tayo magpatayan. Hindi ka naka-road walk. Ayos tayo. Di ba kasi tayo ng mga bro? Kasi close sa akin. Nagka-crossbow ka eh.
Perfect.
Oh! Oh, wallbang! That was ball bang bang. Hindi. Nadia, tingin ka sa likod mo. Ay! Nag-ano ka? Nagtatraw ka ng bomba. Tapos naligod na sa likod ko lang ikaw. Wala akong thermite na natin. Ay! Bukas po tayo dito eh.
Ay, my God,
Ay, sayang! May bomba sa akin eh. Ayun o. Oh my gosh. Bakit may smoke?
Ay, yung M16.
Oo, yun yung ginamit niya iPhone eh.
Yung red dot. matatama.
Perfect.
Ano yun?
Ayun!
Tira mo. Mag-stand still ka, hindi ka tama. Tira mo. Ano yun? Ang layo! Tira mo. Hindi pa rin tumatama. Ang pangit. Hindi naman
Sige, sniper with crossbow! You miss, bro. Let's go. Ay! Nasa moon. Ay! Loko sa day. Tignan mo, huwag kayo skip.
So it's dance, I'ma keep and so I always have big.
Na-distract ka ng gamit yung smoke ko, no?
Perfect.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ka lang
Na-distract gamit
Hindi,
smoke.
nadidistract ako sa kante. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, that's it.
Cause I'm the team, I run shit. The Yankees been a thing you had a boom. Check my overseas to my motherfucking dope. So you come in, you gotta serve my gun. Don't forget this shit, up and put the fucking rock. I gotta let you know what I'm doing.
Movement versus stampede.
Before he booming, you can see. Make a drug deal, but my nigga don't
Oh,
finish.
naka-stand still ako nang binaril kita eh.
Sayang.
Amoy, dami. Amoy, boy.
Ay!
I like you, boy.
Oh! I hit the ghost! I hit your head! Bakit? Pag pinuli ka, ano yung pinapakita? Yung ulo ng ano. Oh, di ba? Tinamaan ko yung ulo mo. Alam mo ba, nagkakuha din pala si Clara. Level ka na ito. Nakita ko lang eh. Tundra?
Ayaw ko pang matama.
Sana ako dun eh. Wala na. Kapalun ako eh.
Perfect.
Ah. Oh, hit marker! Hindi, sa ano? Sniper. Sniper? Mag-movement daw siya gamit grenade ako na ko stand still. Ayang mabibigyan.
Cause it just be drug. You can make this but at the motherfucking whip. You better go back to my dog. I need to put some money.
Oh my God, bakit nagka-crouch, boy? Boy, ba't nagka-crouch?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Boy, bakit nagka-crouch? Boy, bakit nagka-crouch?
Ain't no motherfucking lie. It's on my cause they know they just think for me to come up with my ass. No security, yeah. The shit is getting so
Ang bilis ko.
now it's time to cut the bucket. Got this shit to put straight. You gon' get that ass shot.
What?
To these bitches for some man. You swear to phone and lay your ass up on the table. The bitches make it this quick. Say something like that.
Uy, nakita ko yung ulo mo eh. Nasa labas ng wall yung ulo mo.
So it's gas, I'ma keep
Hindi niya na-get yung sentence ko. Naka-crouch ka, diba? Hindi ko, nakita ko yung ulo mo. Uy, gumaling na si Sir Sniper ah. Nakapatay siya.
Perfect.
Uy, bata! Bakit ka lang babaw rin? Uy, bata! Hindi ko alam. Alis na ako dito. Nakakaya.
Pupunain ko yung map ng ganda ng Trip Center.
Cause I'm the chief of the bunch. VIP kids better teach you how to boom. Shape of bonus to my mother.
Uy, bata!
Gotta serve, I cut it. Don't forget this shit, got to put the mother what I gotta let you know about the feeling that I got that cookie, not the cookie on the dope. Wait, it's so weak, now I'm on the boom.
Bawal na yan.
Your boy, he booming, you can see this. Make drug deals, but my nigga, I don't finish. Check the niggas, how to come, yeah, I'm not up. Got the niggas in the dope, they want about the
Ganyaran tayo ah. Ibinabatuan ka ng una oh. Ano? Oo. Ilang beses mo na pinagtagamit yun eh.
So I hit my track mates. 20 minutes now it's time to cut the bucket.
Uy! Nagkakambak ng bata oh.
To these bitches cause I'm mad. I swear to phone to lay your hands up on the table. Make it this quick. Hands once I do that sensation put my teeth up out there. Because I gotta make them hold. Gotta keep it paid up. These bitches do it anyway. Money on. So it's gas. I keep it. Got good man. So I always got a big.
Uy! Ba't ka nandito? Uy!
Perfect.
Uy, alam na namin ni Nigel yung amay na yun oh. Oh! Gamit mo kasi mabigat na baril sa akin. Hindi. What? Hindi, nag-stand still na oh. Nag-learning na siya oh. 1-8 talaga yung bala ko sa'yo. Uy! Uy, alam mo ba? 1-8 talaga yung bala ko sa'yo. I just hit your two heads! I just hit your butt! Ayun na naman siya. Rinig ko na naman. Ay, bata! Sige, pakita ka, boy! Pakita ka, boy! Pakita ka, boy!
take. Make it this quick. Do that sensation to my people out there.
Hoy, bata!
Because I gotta move the clothes. Gotta get paid. All these bitches do it. Very young. So it's bad. So I keep it. Got good. And so I always got a big.
Bakit kita pinatay? Dapat inestikit kita eh. Wala na ngayon ang trophy.
Perfect.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo na wala eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Hindi ko alam.
Oy, Johnny, mo sa baka. Ay, mag-obsess.
Penge! Manggugurat ko. Ano yan? Yan. Ay, mga. Liar! Lovers daw. Nadya, tingin ka sa ano? Blue.
Oy, balik ka doon. Uy, ay, sayang.
Because I gotta move the clothes, gotta get paid. All these bitches do it. Very young, so it's bad. So I keep it. Got good plans, so I always got a big.
Perfect.
Ay, sayang. 20% na ako agad. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasan sa dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasan. Pagkatapos ng game, hanapin ko. Ayoko, papatay mo ako eh. Executin mo ako eh. Are you bang-bangin me? Are you bang-bangin me? Ayan na naman siya. Ayan na naman siya. Kala ko nasa dito. Oh! Headshot! I hit your head again! Bro, that's perfect. You brother. Ay, sayang eh. Nag-lag din ako. Ay, sayang. Pinindot ko na eh.
Perfect.
Oh! I hit your shoulder, bro! Iritahin kita Talo! No, you do not.
Talaga, yun yung pinaka-worst mo na nakita ko.
Sa alam niyo, uy, 17 seconds. Sino makikita sa final kill? Oh! No! Final kills ulit si Naija. Yes! Final kill ako! Final kill! Pakita nyo. Yan. Yes! Pakita!
Ay, natawalan kasi ako sa ulo mo.
Oy! In-stab ko siya sa ulo mo! In-stab kita sa ulo mo. Sa ulo mo.
Bandila.
Well, babae ka na, boy. Nang bubura out daw si Naida.
Ay, remember na ako Janelle. The 30.
That's it.
Remember your 30 now?
Bye, guys.